Hi, my name is Anil Kumar. I am a graduate from IIT Delhi, graduated in 2005. Post studying at IIT Delhi, I had two stints at Knowledge Startups. I worked at a company called Manthan Services as one of the initial members. Then I worked as one of the early team members at the management consulting firm called Zenove. 2009, at a peak of recession when the market was changing in a big way, that's when we started and thought of Redseer as an idea, and Redseer was born in 2009 as a research and consulting firm. I think looking back, there are a couple of major drivers because of which we ended up starting Redseer. One, and probably the most important one, being our passion for solving business problems and solving it in a first principle basis in a way which has not been done and is not being done by the other management consulting firms. So that, I think, was at core of thinking about Redseer as a firm. The second one being personally my love for consumer and consumer related products. On the top of it, working in a very startup like environment and still being in management consulting, that I think was pretty much another driver. We are very proud of where we are as a firm today in multiple forms and on multiple levels. I think to begin with, we are the largest homegrown management consulting firm to come out of India, and that too in a very short span of 13 years. Build this organization bottom up. Practically 99% of the folks who are working at Redseer do not have any previous management consulting background, so they come up with a beginner's mind, no baggage about how they've really solved business problems earlier. So we can truly say that what we're doing at Redseer is original, has been homegrown. Second, we are a completely bootstrapped organization which has leveraged our own profits. In the sectors where we really work, we are true leaders. So if you look at the consumer market, we are among the top 3 to 4 management consulting firms by any kind of a parameter you would pick up, whether it is number of clients, dollar, and the size of our team. In the consumer internet market, we would be the largest consulting firm by far, ahead of some of our global peers as well. We've created all of that by not providing a cheaper alternate to what other firms are doing, and which is pretty evident in, if you look at a per employee revenue, we are among the most premium consulting firms from market share perspective on the sectors we really work in. We have more than 90% of market share when it comes to the IPO and public market fundraisers, so clear market leader. When it comes to the private equity market, we would have more than 50% market share in the consumer and consumer internet related areas. For the startups and new age companies, we would have more than 90% of the online transactions, whether it is in terms of the product or in terms of the data as our client, so we work with them very, very closely. Today at Redseer, we are trying to solve for 2 to 3 kind of major problems. One, we work on the investment thesis. Investment thesis related engagements are related to private equities or public fundraisers, where we help the investors in evaluating the organizations better and do a diligence on them and post that make investments. The other set of investment thesis related engagements are from the sell side, where we help the companies project themselves better for our fundraisers. So those are the fund and investment thesis related engagements. Then we have our strategy related engagements, where we work with the new age companies on helping them get into the new markets, new products, pricing strategies, and so on. Our third set of offering is around working with the traditional companies, which are the large conglomerates, may not be digital first, but they want to get ahead on their digital journey. So helping them on the digital strategy, how to sell more from digital channels, how to have a better digital DNA as organizations. And finally, we do work with governments in defining the policies and agenda around how should they be looking at the digital economy altogether. Proud of being part of some of the big moments of the consumer and consumer internet economy. So a few years back when Walmart Flipkart deal happened, we were part of that particular deal. When Reliance raised $19 billion from a clutch of investors, that was the largest private equity deal which happened in Indian market, and we were among the advisors to some of the key investors on that particular deal as well. When Zomato went public, we were the advisors for Zomato's DRHP industry report. So, being the first management consultant on the largest deal, internet deal, which went IPO in the market. So they have been really interesting tipping points in the Indian economy, which we've been part of. Apart from that, if you look at from strategy engagements, they're very exciting engagements like one of the hotel aggregators in India market, which was trying to go public. We helped them chalk out a global strategy in terms of which countries they should be going to, what kind of a business model they should be following, and so on. We are looking at people who at core of their heart, they really love solving business problems. If you're really passionate about that, I think that is a one big positive click for anyone to be at Redseer. We're generally not a big believer of going by the traditional frameworks. We look at the problems with the beginner's mind and try to see that what kind of solutions, first principle solutions we should be applying at that. We have a very strong startup DNA, so anyone who has to be successful at Redseer have to have a very strong hustler mindset, a street fighter mindset. So that way I think it's a pretty unique proposition of being a consulting firm along with a very strong startup mindset. Which I think brings us to the next part where if you look at Redseer, it is very unlike of most of the other consulting firms. Our average age at Redseer would be more like 26 or 27. So we are very fun-loving and a young organization. It's just an extension of college life in that way. Working at Redseer is, I think, among one of the most exciting journeys which people can choose out of the college. One, the kind of exposure which Redseer gives in terms of the business problems is unparalleled. Our typical engagements are 5 to 6 weeks in terms of turnaround, which means over a year you would be able to work on anywhere between 8 to 10 engagements. And that, I think, gives a consultant a very high quality perspective about a lot of sectors, and you don't really get fixated with one problem and one client. The other thing is the kind of sectors we're really working with. So we're not working with traditional sectors where you have to work in mining industries or in construction industries, which might be exciting for a lot of us. But at Redseer, we are working with the new age companies which are really changing the way people are buying, people are consuming content, getting education, and so on. So we are at the forefront of innovation, working with the high quality new age companies. Third, being a very young organization and the way we are set up as a firm, the exposure and the interactions which even a young consultant get is unparalleled. The folks who are just outside of college get to interact with the largest of the private equities, CEOs and decision makers across the board in the ecosystem. And yes, we are able to provide one of the fastest path to partnership. So for us, the number of years of experience is just a number. Depending on how well someone contributes to client and client ecosystem, their path to partnership could be really accelerated. Despite being a homegrown regional management consulting firm, we do have offices, direct offices in Dubai and Singapore, which gives us a high quality exposure to work in international environment. At the same time, our partnership with OC&C, which is a global management consulting firm, ensures that our team members get not only ability to work, but also work out of some of the most exciting locations across the globe in US, Latin America, Europe, and other parts of the world. And look forward to work with you and see some of you working alongside, solve some of the most interesting client problems in the new age sector. Thank you and all the best.